अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, एहतिशाम है। अच्छा, एक पॉइंट है जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है फॉर those sellers who just recently started, that how do they analyze and how do they assess that if they are earning some profit or not. So there are two ways. There are two ways which we are using. We always recommend to our clients to go for it, and what those two ways are. One is seller board. Seller board is a very smooth and easy process. I mean, as compared to other option, just buy the seller board tool and add all those costs involved, like cleaning costs, etc., and all other costs. Like if you're hiring any VA, you are uh, not working by yourself and you hired a VA to manage all your work, so you can add that cost as well in seller board, and then that seller board will tell you that how much you're earning, how much per SKU, and overall total per month your loss or profit or whatever. Second option is you can hire any accounting firm. That there are many accountants available online. You can reach out to them, and they will charge you a monthly fee, and they will be, I mean, adding all these things like seller board, which automatically they will do manually. But of course, the margin of error is always there with the tools. But with the accountants, I mean, they do very professionally. I mean, if you ask me what is perfect, I will recommend the personal accountant. That you can hire for your account. If you are managing client, you can recommend to them as well. So that's it, guys.